Kelima ialah penutupan semua institusi pendidikan tinggi, IPT awam dan swasta serta institut latihan kemahiran di seluruh negara.
So, do you know what is e-learning? Have you heard the word online learning before?
Online learning is a process of learning with the assistance of the internet and allied online facilities. The term online learning is often used interchangeable with e-learning. In other words, online learning is a way of studying for an internationally recognized qualification without needing to attend classes on campus. The most important benefit of online learning is that it can span time and distance. Online learning is a computer-based educational tool or system that enables you to learn anywhere at any time. Today, e-learning is mostly delivered through the internet, although in the past it was delivered using the blend of computer-based methods like CD-ROM. Technology has advanced so much that the geographical gap is bridged with the use of tools that make you feel like as if you are in the classroom. E-learning offers the ability to share material in all kinds of formats, such as videos, slideshows, Word documents, and PDF. Conducting webinars, which is live online classes, and communicating with professors via chat and message forums is also an option available to users. COVID-19 pandemic has become a global health issue and has a major impact on education. Consequently, students' learning method has changed from fully physical class to open and distance learning, which is known as ODL. So, online learning provides the learners with the ability to fit learning around their lifestyles, effectively allowing even the busiest person to further a career and gain new qualifications.
There's any benefit of online learning? Let's check it out together. One of the benefits of online learning is that it is more flexible and it is available at any time and anywhere. Whether you are at home, on the road, or at a friend's house, you can create your own perfect room to study and do your assignments. Online learning offers better opportunities to concentrate by not being around other people. You can dedicate one room for quiet study, or if you're shy, you don't have to worry about interacting with other students. The other benefits is you can join virtual study groups. It is possible to form study groups online using free online software like Google Meet or WebEx. All you need is your computer, a headset to listen and talk in, and the time to join others virtually to swap ideas about your assignment, get question answer about things you are stuck on. You can share screen, present your documents, use virtual whiteboards to brainstorm your ideas and organize your study projects. The third benefit of online learning is you can take online quizzes and exams and you can get your score immediately. Let's face it, waiting to learn your test score can be nerve-wracking. Online learning systems have immediate scoring system to let you know how well you passed the test. If there is an advantage of online learning, of course, there is the drawbacks of online learning. Come, let's see the drawbacks of online learning. Online learning can cause social isolation. The e-learning methods currently practiced in education tend to make participating students undergo contemplation, remoteness, and a lack of interaction. As a result, many of the students and teachers who inevitably spend much of their time online can start experiencing signs of social isolation due to the lack of human communication in their lives. Social isolation coupled with a lack of communication often leads to several mental health issues such as heightened stress, anxiety, and negative thoughts. Moving on to the other drawbacks, unfortunately, one of the biggest drawbacks of online learning is continues to be cheating through various methods. Compared to on-campus students, online students can cheat on assessments more easily as they take assessment in their own environment and use their own laptop. The students cannot be directly observed during assessment without a video feed, making cheat detection during online assessment more complicated than for traditional testing procedures.
Next, let us take a look at tools of online learning. First of all, we have Google Classroom. Every lecturer should have Google Classroom in order to communicate with students. Google Classroom can be used by students to submit their assignment or tasks. Although Google Classroom is simple, but it is effective as it helps to create a paperless environment. It is also cost-effective. As you can see on the screen, it is the tutorial on how the students can submit their assignment through Google Classroom. After they have attached their file, they can upload in Google Classroom. Then, they need to click the Turn In button in order to submit their assignment. And now, as you can see, the file have been submitted successfully. Chat is also one of the tools used in online learning. As we know, chat helps to synchronize communication tools. Usually, lecturer will use WhatsApp in order to invite students to join the class by sending the class link in the WhatsApp group or inform the students about the important date. As soon as they join the online class, lecturer can communicate with students through the chat room provided in the video conference. Usually, most students will participate through chat. It is a collaborative learning. In the chat room, students can choose whether to chat privately or publicly. If they want to chat privately with their lecturer, they need to click on their lecturer name in the chat room. Online forum is also a tool of online learning. Through online learning platform, lecturer can create online forum. On the other hand, lecturer can also post a question and request students to comment based on the question. This will encourage the students' participation. Online discussion can make the learning process fun as it involves the participation of all students. Finally, click the Post to Forum button in order to post a comment. The student's comment will look something like this. As you can see, these are all the discussion that has been posted by the students. Moving on to the next online learning tools, which is online quizzes. There are two examples of online quizzes, which is Kahoot and Quizzes. First of all, let us take a look at Kahoot. For Kahoot, we must use the whole class together. Even if one of the classmates answers the question, then the student is required to wait for the rest of the student to finish answering the question, then only they can enter to the next topic. Kahoot is a teacher-dominated guide that all the questions and answers only on teachers' devices. However, quizzes is a little bit different. Students wait differently and can follow their own schedule. Quizzes is more like a student-dominated guide that students can know the question and answer on their own devices.